But after we've seen that, I'm going to go ahead and look at the outer two.
And I'm pausing and putting my gloves back on. Here we go. Oh, I'm getting honey all over it. Oh.
Looks like there's some wonkiness on that outer frame.
Yeah, but not too bad.
Well, no, on the next frame over.
Oh.
That's a lot of pollen. Oh, sorry, bee. There's some some eggs and stuff down in there. But there's a lot of pollen there. I need the smoker constantly. Oh, being super careful over there, and I get one over there.
Sorry, I tried. Nothing on this side, but a bunch of bees. And some wonky. I say change it out. It's had a lot of honey.
Watch yourself.
Good job doing it in the box and not on your feet.
There's still a lot of... They're back behind it.
Don't mind the half-finished barn. We're in the process.
That drone got up in my face and was just buzzing away. Actually, that might be a worker. So we'll get them put back together.
Maybe.
I'm thinking, instead of trying to rearrange this all, to put that frame back over here. It's one they just started drawing. Maybe just move it to this side.
Alright, I'm going to end the video here. God bless. Maybe.